Motmots have a taste for reptiles. These visual hunters scan for prey with acute vision, highly attuned to movement. So this anole lizard better tread carefully. Whenever she freezes, the Motmot can't see her, but she can see him. Her sight has special properties too, and they're sensitive to the ultraviolet spectrum, intensifying the contrast and color of the Motmot's plumage. But she can't stand still forever. She needs to eat too. So when the Motmot looks away, the lizard moves. Just a little. Nothing to see here. It's like they're playing red light, green light, only this is no game. One wrong step could be fatal. As the Motmot closes in, the lizard moves just out of range. But now, there's nowhere left to run. The Motmot is a sit and wait predator. Surely there's only so long that a lizard can stay underwater. But this is clearly no ordinary lizard.